Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a breast pump correctly. I'll also provide a demonstration, which I'm very excited about. This is a breast pump. It has three main parts: the bottle, the handle, and the rim. Place the rim properly on the nipple to ensure a good seal. If it doesn't fit correctly, adjust it slightly. Now, gently press and release the handle. If the seal is properly in place, you'll see milk slowly collecting in the bottle. Continue pumping for a while. Once you feel that the bottle is full, stop pumping. Now, remove the cap, store the milk, and securely close the bottle. Don't forget to label the bottle with the date so you know when the milk was expressed. Use fresh milk as soon as possible. If you don't need it immediately, store it in the freezer to keep it safe for a longer period. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you want to watch more tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel and stay updated. See you again. Thank you.